Hello everyone, welcome back again to this new video. In this video we are going to cover the very important topic, which is CPU load. It means how many tasks are waiting or running. So the CPU load or load average tells how many processes are running or waiting for CPU per time. It means when how many processes are running or waiting to process or running basically. So how you can check? So there is a command you can check with uptime. Then there is a load average. It tells how many processes are running. These three values, the 1.23, 0.73, 0.99, tells that how many processes are running or waiting for this. Now I repeat these things many times, okay, but now understand what is the meaning of this. The 1.3, the first value of in front of first value load average is for the it tells the average of last 1 minute, and thus this second value tells the average of last 5 minutes of the processes, and the third one, this tells the average of last 15 minutes. And you can understand that that's how we return here the first value, second value, and the third value. The third value basically telling that telling that uh, on average 1.2 tasks were trying to use the CPU during the last 1 minute. यानी कि one task was running and 0.2 task was waiting in line. Means in last 1 minute, the 1.2 task, the one task is running, which is executing, and the 0.2 task is waiting in line to execute. This is the average of last 1 minute. Listen again. This is the average of last 1 minute. And the second value tells this is the same way, but it tells the average of last 5 minutes. So in last 5 minutes, there are 0.990 processes were trying to the CPU during the last 5 minutes. Were trying to use the CPU during the last 5 minutes. Okay, so it means in last 5 minutes, less than one task on average wanted CPU. Means in last 5 minutes there is less than one task, means less than one task, this is the average, wanted to use the CPU. And in last 15 minutes, this is 0.60. This is the third value. This is basically for the last 15 minutes, the average of the processes that want to use the CPU. This is 0.60. It is very lightweight. So so CPU, so in this case when it loads, when the more than one process is trying to use the CPU and a few processes were waiting to execute, so it is a very slightly overloaded but not dangerously bad. Means it is good but not dangerously bad. If you found here if anywhere more than two या फिर two, then there is a load, means your CPU is overloaded. So these are the condition, and this is the meaning of these three values of load average. The first value you can understand as one for the first value is A, the second value is B, the third value is C. The A is for it. The A value tells the average CPU usage of last 1 minute. B, the same thing, but it tells for the last 5 minutes the average of processes that want to use the CPU. And 0.99, the C value, this is for last 15 minutes. So in last 15 minutes, almost less than one processes want to use the CPU in last 15 minutes. So that's how you can understand what is the CPU load. A CPU loads basically means how many processes running or waiting. Means the processes they want to do the access, they want to do the use of CPU. So this is the short video or the introduction of the CPU load, how you can check it and how you can know the load average of last 1 minute, of last 15 minutes, and the last 5 minutes and last 15 minutes. So that's all in this video.